The Yellow Jacket Combustible Gas Leak Detector is an HVAC technician's must-have. In this video, we will cover the advantages and differentiators with this product to quickly detect gas leaks in hard-to-reach places. Hold the Set button for at least 3 seconds to set the general parameters for the detector operation. There are 3 parameters: P1, P2, and P3. The user can select between by pressing the Set key. Once a parameter is selected, its value can be modified with the following keys. The Function key increases the value, if numerical, or switches between on and off cyclically, if non-numerical. The Unit key decreases the value, if numerical, or switches between on and off cyclically, if non-numerical. This parameter is identified with the label Set1. Its value enables or disables the internal buzzer for the sound feedback. From the parameter Set1, if the Set button is pressed once, the user gets access to parameter Set2. Set2 allows the user to adjust the auto shutoff time. The Function button increases the current value. The Unit button decreases it. From the parameter Set2, if the Set button is pressed once more, the user gets access to parameter Set3, which allows the user to enable or disable the buzzer sound in case of an alarm. When the Unit button is pressed, the units of measurement on the display is selected. Every time the unit is changed, the choice is automatically stored in the detector's memory. This has been a demonstration of the Yellow Jacket Combustible Gas Leak Detector, part number 69310. For more details, visit yellowjacket.com for product and customer support information.